Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In today's video, we'll guide you through the ins and outs of franchising your very own BAGA Burger. From franchise package to the application process, we've got you covered. BAGA Burger is a popular food stall brand in the Philippines, renowned for its affordable, juicy burgers. Originating as a small stall, it has grown into a well-loved brand with multiple franchise locations across the country. BAGA Burger offers a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs interested in entering the food industry by becoming part of a well-established and successful brand. BAGA Burger started as a humble food stall serving freshly grilled burgers to locals craving a taste of something extraordinary. Today, it's a household name known for its mouth-watering burgers and affordable prices. Now you have the chance to bring this delicious experience to more people by becoming a franchisee. Menu offerings. One of the reasons BAGA Burger is so successful is its diverse and delicious menu. Here's a taste of what you'll be serving up. Buy one take one beefy BAGA Burger. Buy one take one beefy BAGA Burger with cheese. Buy one take one coleslaw cheese BAGA Burger. Buy one take one bacon barbecue cheese BAGA Burger. Buy one take one double cheesy BAGA Burger. Buy one take one barbecue bacon BAGA with egg. Buy one take one hot dog in bun sandwich. Cheesy chicken crunch. Ham sandwich. Beef loaf sandwich. Footlong sandwich, pork siomai, asado siopaw, and molten BAGA. For the franchise package and fees. Let's dive into the details of the franchise package and fees. For the kiosk package, the franchise package fee is worth 500,000 pesos with a store size of 8 to 10 square meters. For the franchise package inclusions, it includes kiosk construction and materials, front-top signage and menu board, griller, griddle, and exhaust, BAGA stamp, complete cooking utensils, complete uniform, initial stocks worth 10,000 pesos, inventory system guidance, store operations manual, crew hiring guide, grand opening support, continuous product development, site evaluation assistance, store setup guidance, and overall continuous operations guidance. Note, these fees include the rights to use the BAGA Burger brand, but franchisees are responsible for operational costs such as rent, utilities, and employee salaries. The benefits of franchising BAGA Burger. Franchising BAGA Burger comes with a host of benefits. Here's why it's a great choice. Number 1. Establish brand recognition. Leverage the reputation of a well-known brand with a loyal customer base. Number 2. Comprehensive support. From site assessment to grand opening, BAGA Burger provides extensive support to ensure your success. Number 3. Proven business model. Operate under a successful and established business model, reducing the risk typically associated with new businesses. Number 4. Affordable investment. With a relatively low franchise fee and high profit potential, BAGA Burger is accessible to a wide range of investors. Number 5. Continuous innovation. Regular updates to the menu and marketing strategies help keep the business competitive and attractive to customers. For the application process. Ready to get started? Here's how you can become a BAGA Burger franchisee. Number 1. Initial inquiry. Contact and inquire with BAGA Burger via phone to express your interest. Number 2. Business presentation. Attend a Zoom business presentation meeting organized by BAGA Burger, where you will receive detailed information about the franchise and have the opportunity to ask questions. Number 3. Franchise application. Complete a franchise application form to provide basic information about yourself and your proposed business. location. Number 4. Collaborate with BAGA Burger's site selection team to identify a suitable location for your food stall. This step is crucial as location significantly impacts food traffic and sales. Number 5. Franchise agreement. Review the franchise agreement carefully, which outlines the terms and conditions of your partnership with BAGA Burger. Once satisfied, sign the contract and make the necessary payments. Number 6. Training setup. Participate in the franchisee training program provided by BAGA Burger. This includes operational training, customer service guidelines, and marketing strategies. During this time, your stall will be set up according to the package you selected. Number 7. Grand opening. Launch your BAGA Burger franchise with the support of the brand's marketing team. Utilize the grand opening as a promotional event to attract initial customers and generate buzz in your area. For the contact information, for further inquiries or to start your franchise application process, you can contact BAGA Burger through the following channels. Their address, BAGA Burger, Baliwag, Philippines. You can contact their mobile phone 639-42-562-4098. You can also send a message on their social media at BAGA Burger PH on Facebook and Instagram. For the conclusion, franchising BAGA Burger presents a promising opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to enter the fast-growing food industry in the Philippines. With a well-established brand, a supportive franchisor, and a proven business model, you can enjoy a rewarding business venture by bringing delicious burgers to more customers nationwide. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of BAGA Burger franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.